Guys, welcome to our channel. For today's video, I will show you how to hide photos in iPhone. Let's begin. So it's pretty easy to hide photos in iPhone, guys. All you need to do is just go to your gallery or tap on photos, okay? So from here, you could select which photo that you wish to hide. So say for instance, I would want to select one particular photo. So for this one, um, once you check or once you actually access and tap the actual photo, guys, you would have an option below. You could see at the lower left side of the screen, it has the icon for sharing. So this one, if you share, it gives you the option to actually share. You could either put it in an album, or you go to shared album. If you want to download it and using other apps, there's actually a way for you to do that. You could also save to files. So there's tons of options. But if you just wish to hide it, you go to the right lower right side of the screen beside the trash bin icon, the three dots. When you click on that, just click on hide. Okay. So once you hit on hide, you could already have the selection and then just tap on hide photo. If you wish to hide multiple photos, you can just, swipe or slide your hand, or, just tap per photo. And then once you do that, you hit this one. Same deal. You go hide, then hide 11 photos, and that's it. So all of your photos are removed from your gallery and it's sent to hidden album. And we have another video tutorial on how you would be able to manage your hidden album. Just subscribe to our channel for you to check on that. If you like this video, please hit on like. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.